Well, the end-to-end solutions really start with, on the indirect or the industrial side of the business, we have a complete portfolio of metalworking and related process fluids. So whether you are forging parts, whether you're machining parts, whether you're going through a drawing and stamping process or other related processes in the metalworking manufacturing sector, Fuchs can offer the complete catalog and then pass it over to our colleagues in the OEM division for the direct side of the business.
Yeah, and on the OEM side, what we try to do is we try to partner up with manufacturing companies, tier suppliers, and the end OEMs to incorporate our greases and oils into the actual functional parts of the vehicle, always looking into the future as to what our customers are going to need, not only today, but in the future. Products such as electrical drive fluids, engine oils, CV joint greases, connector lubricants, lubricants for various parts within the vehicle. So if you think about turn signal switches, all these components which we can reduce noise, reduce wear, and increase the range, especially as we're talking about electric vehicles, increase the range. This is how we can benefit our customers. So it's really a full service solution that we're looking at when we deal with electric vehicles and in that marketplace.